Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah from Teacher is Happy and I'm so excited to be finally bringing you the Christmas vlog. Now, truth be told, I've actually filmed this video a little while ago. It was like a 44-degree day, which is Christmas time in Australia. I'll insert some footage here of when I was getting attacked by a fly while I was trying to film it. And I was talking all about what we're doing for Christmas and what's going to happen. And currently there has been some changes to that in the last week. So I thought I would refilm this. Yeah. It wasn't, what I said was not totally relevant to what's going to happen now. Parts of Sydney are in lockdown at the moment and we're not really sure what's going to happen in our area either. So just kind of playing it by ear. However, the good thing is I can tell you all about our sponsor for today, which is Ana Luisa. I'm currently sporting a number of pieces from them. I did kind of treat myself a little bit before Christmas, which is so fine. You can treat your friend, you can treat your mom, you can treat yourself, because you know what? They're carbon neutral. So they offset 100% of the carbon emissions that they make and they have a really sustainable mission, so you can't even feel bad about treating yourself. Their pieces start at like $39, so it's super affordable and actually exceptional quality. I really love that it's not gonna tarnish in like 2 seconds because they have a 365-day warranty period. So if you're not 100% happy with the pieces, you can get a refund within that time, which I think is pretty cool. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for making this video possible. Let's get to the Christmas vibes, Christmas montage.
Everybody's trying to get their name on the nice list. Everybody greets you with a smile and a candy cane kiss. There are people stopping, talking under every street light. Even people who can't sing or follow line tonight. Follow line tonight. Every corner of the city sparkling with decorations. Everywhere I look there's red and green and people celebrating. Every room I walk in smells like cinnamon and nutmeg. Me and every kid won't sleep tonight with the excitement. Oh, 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 oh. Love, 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 love. Oh, 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 oh. Love, love, I love everything about this. I love Christmas. I hear the sleigh bells ring-a-ling-a-ling across the city. See Santa's silhouette on rooftops near the chimney. Have yourself a merry little silver bells and silent night, playing on my stereo. Follow line tonight. Oh, 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 oh. Love, 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 love. Oh, 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 oh. Love, love, I love everything about this. I love Christmas. And I could write a list that's 10 times longer than this song. And I could give a million reasons and go on and on. Or I could say it just like this. Oh, 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 love, 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 love. Oh, 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 love, love, I love everything about this. I love Christmas. Oh, 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 love, 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 love. Oh, 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 love, 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 love. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh,
So Christmas time means a lot of crafting for me, so I'm going to show you some fun projects on my Cricut. I made Bryce one of these little like Spotify-esque looking plates for his latest single, but now he's got a new single coming out, so I thought I would make up another one and then potentially maybe one of his older ones. I'd love to do like every single he's ever done, but I think that that is a big undertaking and they didn't have that many frames. These are just from Kmart. They're just the clear acrylic block frame, super cheap, and this is a really easy project to do. You just print out a little picture and then they've got these Spotify-esque looking Cricut SVG files. So this one I've kind of adapted. I'll see if I can show you my one that I've made, and I think they're a really cute present. I'm also going to be putting on his name on the front of this journal because I think that's a really sweet thing to do, and then I'm going to be making up a little babysitting voucher to go with a gold class voucher for our Bryce's, well, our brother-in-law and sister-in-law, and they've got a gold class voucher, and then we're going to make them up like a little Cricut babysitting voucher. It's pretty much a present to us because we get to babysit the cutest baby ever. So anyway, that's all the Cricut projects that I'm going to make, and I thought I'd show you them really quickly. Bryce and I are currently in the car. We're going to do some Christmas light looking. We really wanted to go to the Hunter Valley lights, but unfortunately it was all booked out, so we just thought we'd kind of drive around the neighborhood and see what people have in store to get in the Christmas spirit. We've been making our way through some Christmas movies. We watched Noel Tonight, we watched what did we watch last night? Home Alone. So we're like slowly making our way through the Christmas films, and now we're getting very festive from the car from a safe distance, light looking. Very important listening to the Teacher's Happy Christmas Spotify playlist. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. It's so good.
This could be the best one yet.
Drift across the water, the ones we love to play. I've wrapped up all your gifts in your favorite colors. I'm counting down the days, and I'd give anything to spend every night with you.
So the next thing on the agenda is some Christmas themed baking. Normally I do like a beautiful gingerbread house, but at the moment I just don't really want to go to the shops and go and like buy all the things. So we're going to cook something which I already had the ingredients for at home, which is some Christmas kind of themed cookies. They're really just my normal choc chip cookie recipe that you guys might have seen on TikTok or on my Instagram, and we're just going to change it up by using red and green M&Ms instead of choc chips, and then we're going to drizzle them with some caramel to make it just like a Christmassy themed cookie. I want to fill up my cookie jar because I've got all these like really cute like Santa themed cookie jars and there's no cookies in them. I'm going to do that now. I'll run you guys through the recipe and show you kind of what's involved, and then make you jealous and eat them all on the screen. So the first thing we're going to do is add in 1 cup of caster sugar and then blend in 250 grams of the butter. You can pre-melt it in the microwave or however you want to melt it over the stove, and then place it in. add in some condensed milk. I try to use pretty much the whole can. It's almost equivalent to 1 cup. Then you're gonna add flour until the blender starts to struggle. So you don't have to use 2 1/4 cups. That's kind of my rough estimate for the kind of chewiness that I like. If you want them more chewy, use less flour. The Choc chips, it's kind of up to you. I'm going to chuck in all the red and green ones. There might not be as many as I would normally use. I'd probably chuck in a whole lot of chocolate, and then I normally like to put the melts on top. They grow quite big, so you wouldn't need any more than 3 teaspoons of mixture per cookie. I like to use a little ice cream scoop to keep it super easy, and that way they're all even and they kind of end up looking a little bit better. My oven is on 180 degrees Celsius, and it's a fan forced oven, so I guess you just kind of weigh that up with whatever oven you have at home. And I like to do about 10 to 12 minutes, and I keep checking on them until their edges are brown, and then kind of just go from there. So if you want them to be doughy, you might do it for a little bit less, or if you want them nice and hard, then do it for a little bit longer. So I love this hack for melting chocolate. It's just to put a deep bowl of hot water on it and then just let the steam cool down the chocolate. Especially if it's not melting chocolate, if you put it straight in the microwave, it will burn. So next thing we're gonna do is decorate them. So once they're out of the oven and they are cool, we're gonna add on the caramel drizzle. You can do this in whatever way you like. I'm just gonna very lightly do it with a spoon, flicking it over and hoping for the best. You can either set them in the fridge or just leave them on the cooling rack to completely cool and set. And then you've got some tasty cookies to put in your Christmas cookie jar. So this is the final product. I feel like they look so cute. They are very homemade looking, let's be honest, but I do wish I kind of put the red and green M&Ms more towards the end, not mixing it in so much, so they had come to the top a little bit more, but they are delicious. They are the exact right consistency. I like them a little bit like undercooked and bendy. If you want to cook them for a little bit longer, make them a little bit browner, it's up to you, but this is the way I like them. So considering everything that's going on, I'm just going to sneakily drop off some cookies at my family's doorstep. We're still, not really sure what's going to happen for Christmas at this stage. There's been some new changes as of like an hour ago, some new developments. So let's see where we go. I'm going to drop these off, delivery at their doorstep for Christmas, and then hopefully I'll get to see them on Christmas Day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and it gave you all the Christmas feels, and for whatever Christmas looks like for you guys this year, I hope that you still have a fantastic one. I'm going to put all the information about Ana Luisa below in the description, and for watching this one, thank you kindly.